This is a 4000 series Hillsboro. It's got the toolboxes below deck and the skirting around the wheels. Take a look inside here. Nice big box. And they make it as deep as they can. The side rail on the Hillsboro is only on the 4000 series. The 3500 series does not have the fold down side rail that you're looking at right here. There's the rear toolbox. Now we're looking at the frame. It's a 2x4 tubular frame, and it's adjustable to fit whatever truck you need to have on there. Also, it's got the automotive style wiring harness, and then it's got a real heavy duty hitch, 18,000 pound capacity. You'll see that in a second here. On the bed, well, let's go back to here. They've the casted, there's your hitch ratings, your casted license plate socket with 2 LEDs, your other LEDs that are cast pocket, and then you've got some real nice tie downs, stainless steel with aluminum cast pockets. The workmanship of this bed is excellent. And then the hitches, it's real nice. There's a couple of them. There's a companion hitch. There's another one right there. And it goes on via a turnover ball inside that's bolt on, instead of the other companies weld their hitches in place. So that's what you got. That's a 4000 series truck bed.